The air's not on. No, no cab system. All mechanical. We've had a few questions as to why we run air in the boat and what's it for. Some people were kind of close, some were not, and that's okay. We run air for two reasons. We have a bottle this size bolted to the right-hand side of the boat. That runs a 4-metre hose that goes through to our masks. That way we are able to breathe air if we ever roll over, which I'd rather not do. And secondly, and more commonly for us, that we are touching and changing, is our air cab system. So we run a mechanical cab system with air assistance. You need about 25 mil of throw on the cav gear to be able to drive this boat reasonably well. And in order to do that, the cav pedal is very hard to push. So we run a pneumatic system on top that puts a little bit of air pressure on the rod that helps us push it and have a little bit more smoothness and simplicity in the way the boat drives. In order to do that, we have a paintball canister hooked up to a paintball regulator that runs down to just a simple solenoid that as you push the pedal in the boat, it just touches on a plate and adds a bit of pressure that makes it much easier to drive. Without the system on, the mechanical advantage required to make this work is incredibly tiring. We have forgotten to turn the air system on a couple of times and it is quite unpleasant to drive. It becomes a serious handful around the second lap.